Good afternoon, everyone. I am doing a little short video on my wheel bearings and the knuckles that I've had to change out because because you can't, they're old, first of all, and one of them I wanted to change out a couple of broken lug studs that I showed you guys last time. Unfortunately, you can't, that's not so easy, and through the process of removing it, I actually broke the original lug studs. Can I sit down real quick? So I wound up getting myself some new wheel and hub, bearing and hub assemblies. They're also known as wheel unit bearings. Now, as you just noticed, I pulled these out of a freezer. That is because I'm going to be making use of a property of materials, such that when you when you cool materials, they shrink, especially metal, and when you heat them, they expand. So I've frozen these two hub assemblies for about a couple hours. So now they're pretty cold, and now I have a pair of. Here are my knuckles that I've been heating for about 25-ish, 30 minutes. Hot, hot, hot. Ouch. And so these are hot to about 300 and something degrees. And these are cooled to below zero. So now, these are friction fits. This means that there's a tolerance that allows that you have to press these in. But now that I've got the temperature, this is now hot and expanded, and this is cold and shrunk, this should just nicely... Ta-da! Now that requires... I had to force the heck out of these to get them out. The old ones. There was hammers and chisels and all kinds of nonsense. And that just slipped right in. And this one, it's super satisfying. This one, get a good picture. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Now, it's like the book shows you doing this with a specialty tool and all this nonsense. You gotta clamp it down and really force it. This, oh, bada bing, bada boom, it's in. It literally took me 5 seconds to put this in. No real effort needed, and now I've got two brand new Raybestos wheel bearings and hub assemblies. Ow, hot. These are still pretty hot. They take forever to cool down. And they're all done. Now I just gotta bolt these down and put a couple of gasket seals are on the back here. They're coming. So seal these up, and then I can go put them in. All right, take care, everyone, and just a great little demonstration on the properties of materials.